Taking up question 8, which says that P, Q, R are in AP, then we have to find the value of P minus Q upon Q minus R. So we have been given the first three terms as P, Q and R. Now as we know, the D, which is the common difference, is going to be Q minus P. And here in this condition, the second condition, the D is going to be R minus Q. So if we were to rearrange this, I would get P minus Q as minus D. Similarly here also, if it was to be rearranged, Q minus R would be equal to minus D. So the value of P minus Q is minus D, and the value of Q minus R is again minus D. If I were to cancel this, I would get 1 as the answer. So the option A is the right answer. Okay, fine. In the ninth question, we have to find the third proportional to 9 and 38. 9 is to 38. That is the first number to the second number, and second number is to third number, which is taken as x. Now here the product of means is equal to product of extremes. So 9 into x, which is equal to 38 into 38. So the value of x is going to be 38 into 38 upon 9. So 8 8s is 64. So the unit digit is going to be 4. And here we have only this option D, which is having unit digit 4 here. So the answer is obviously going to be this. So the option D is the right answer. Where we have to find n minus 1 th term of the given AP, 7, 12, 17, 22 and so on and so forth. Now the given AP here is 7, 12, 17, 22, which I have noted it down once again. Now A, the first term is 7, and the common difference D is 12 minus 7, which is 5. Now what we have to do is we have to find n minus 1 th term. This has to be calculated. Now the formula for it is A plus A, sorry, it is n minus 1 D. Now the value of A, what is the value of A? The value of A is 7, and now this becomes minus 2, and the value of D is 5. So if I solve it further, I get 5 into n is 5n and minus 10. So what do I get? I get 5n minus 3. So the option D is the correct answer. Okay, fine. Let's take up the next question. Now the next question says that when 3x cubed minus 2x squared plus 5x plus 6 is divided by 2x plus 3, now what is going to be the remainder? Now here f of x is given as 3x cubed minus 2x squared plus 5x plus 6. Now what is the remainder here? The value of x. The value of x comes to be minus 3 upon 2. So f of minus 3 upon 2 is going to be minus 3 upon 2 cube to minus 3 upon 2 square plus 5 into minus 3 upon 2 plus 6. Now here I am going to get 3 into minus 27 upon 8, and here I'm going to get minus 2 into 9 upon 4, and this will become minus 15 upon 2 plus 6. So I'm going to get minus 81 upon 8 minus 18 upon 4, 15 upon 2 and plus 6 upon 1. So I'm going to further solve it. The LCM is going to be 8, then I get minus 81 minus 36, 4 is 60 here, plus 48. If I were to solve this, what would I get as the answer? I will get minus 129 upon 8. So the option C is the correct answer. Okay, here with the question number 12. Which of the following point is invariant under the reflection in the line x equals to minus 5? Fine. Now let us firstly discuss what is invariant point. Supposingly we have point P on the line AB. Now if the image of point P is P itself, then such type of point is termed as invariant point. In other words, if the coordinates of P and its image under the line AB is same, here the coordinates are same, such type of point is termed as or known as invariant point. Now further, to calculate for the point in the line where x is equal to a, we will be using the formula p dash, which is equal to minus x plus 2a to y, where the value of a is equals to minus 5. Now we are going to put the value of these given coordinates in the options. Now if we take the first condition, here the value of x is 2 plus 2, the value of a is minus 5 and the y coordinates is minus 5. If we solve further, we get minus 10. So we are getting minus 12 comma minus 5. Now this and this is not the same, the coordinates are not same, so these are not the invariant point. Now let's see the next one. We have the formula this, and where the value of x is minus 5, so I'll get it as, okay, we'll write it like this, 2 into a, the value of a is minus 5 and the y coordinate is 7. If it is solved further, what do I get? I get plus 5, 5 2 is 10 comma 7. Sorry, I get minus 5 here. So I'll write what is the next term? Minus 5. Now you can see here I am getting the coordinate as minus 5 and 7. So here also I am having minus 5 and 7. So these both coordinates are same. So this is the option B is the correct answer. Okay, fine. Here with the question number 13, we have a general quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c, which is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. We have to find the value of x. Now the four options have been given. Now the generalized formula given here is ax square plus bx plus c, which is equal to 0. Now what is the first step? To transport c towards the right hand side. So what do I get? I get ax square plus bx, which is equal to minus c. Now the next step is going to be to multiply both sides by 4a. Well, there are many methods of doing this question. I am just stating one of them. Now this becomes 4a square x square plus 4abx, which is equal to minus 4ac. Now the next step, Now let us see the next step. In the next step, what we are going to do is we are going to add plus b square both the sides. So now this can be written as 2ax plus b whole square, and this can be rearranged and be written as b square minus 4ac. So next what we can do is we can take the square root both the sides. Now this square and this root gets cancelled. So what do I get? I get 2ax plus b, which is equal to plus minus under root b square minus 4ac. Again going to transpose this plus b towards the right hand side. What do I get? 2ax, which is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac. Now we have to make x as the subject of formula, so I can shift it there. I get the value of x as minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So this is the value of x. Now when you will look into the options, we find the option B, which is the right answer. Great, we will be solving question number 14, which is the last question in section A. If one root of the quadratic equation 2x squared plus ax minus 6, which is equal to 0, is 2, then we have to find the value of a. Now we have been given the value of x as 2, so we are going to put the value of x in the required quadratic equation and then solve for a, which is 2 minus 6, which is equal to 0. So what do I get here? I get 8 plus 2a minus 6, which is equal to 0. So plus 8 and plus minus 6, what do I get? I get 2a plus 2, which is equal to 0. Now I'm going to transpose this plus 2 towards the other side. I get 2a, which is equal to minus 2. So the value of a comes out to be minus 1. If I look into the option C is the right answer. Well, this brings us to the end of the video. As always, thank you for being with me. Please like, comment and subscribe the channel. See you soon in the next video. Bye bye.